Salam, and it's so good to be with you. Their quest to people of the major who all celebrate as children of Abraham, and I give thanks for God blessing them to have this wonderful station. To all you, our brothers and sisters in Turkey, thank you so much for your prayers for us as we pray for you. You know, we are Abraham. We all celebrate the one God, whether you're a Jew or whether you're a follower of Islam or whether you're a Christian. We are all thankful for each and every one. I hope that as we indeed know that we would all love peace. God desires us. As we pray here that instead of having warring factions, we will indeed crave and pray for peace to take over. And until that, prayers in yours, and may God be on each and every as children of Abraham. What are the we hold in common is that Jesus will indeed return. That stand is we understand the Messiah, and then at His coming will of peace. And I hope and pray that that time is soon for our sakes.